Welcome to O Files, motherfucker. Cooking channel. Fucking get that dick sucked, motherfucker. About to show you guys how to cook some fucking Easter fucking breakfast, motherfuckers. Alright, first, each one of these. Hold on. There we go. Woo! Alright, we got the pot steaming and bubbling. You know what I'm saying? Got that fire, that food on fire. Yup.
And that shit just gives me a headache, man.
CP. Fucking restart it. Gotta restart it. O Files, motherfucker. Cooking time, motherfucker. Get that dick sucked, motherfucker. And show you guys how to cook some motherfucking Easter motherfucking muffins, motherfuckers. This is how you real motherfucking do fucking cooking, motherfuckers. Oh, really, I ain't fucking playing. We got that de-icer for the fucking nice fucking tray and shit here. You know what I'm saying? Keep that shit on the low. Woo! Alright. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our batteries. We got our batteries, right? Alright. We're gonna take our bag of batteries and we're gonna put it in there, you know what I'm saying? Get it fucking nice and nice. Next thing you know, we got deodorizing Comet, you know what I'm saying? Take this fucking thing off real quick. A little bit of Comet on there, you know what I'm saying? Get that shit done. Next thing you know, we need some Clearview windshield wiper fluid, motherfuckers. Get them dicks sucked. Alright, we're gonna fucking pop a hole in there, just like so. And we're gonna use 3 cups of windshield wiper fluid. There's one. Oh, it's in there, baby. Alright, comes number 2. And trust me, this shit is important. I can't stress how fucking important this shit is. Mushroom Brews, your girlfriend. Alright. Next thing we got is Fruit motherfucking Loops, motherfuckers. Yup.
This shit looks like it's bloody as fuck. Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah.
And it's in there, baby.
I got that address.
Get them dicks sucked.
Yeah.
Yup.
Look at that knife. It looks like it stabbed somebody.
Next thing we got Cocoa Crunchies, Cocoa Pebbles.
Hey, I got my phone, dude.
Put that shit up in there. A little bit of that. Alright. Now this turning process, this is very, very, very important. We got all that mixed around and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, we need to put it back on fire so we got the de-icer, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Yup. Next thing you need is some Pine Sol and Monster Energy drink. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it in a separate bowl. See, we got the Pine Sol in there. You fill it about 1/3 of the way. Right. Got that going. And then you're going to need some fruit mix, some whole grain corn, and some cherry pie motherfucking filling, motherfuckers. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this fucking right on up. Get them dicks sucked, motherfuckers. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna put the pears and the fruit mix with the Pine Sol. Next thing you need is whole kennel corn. This shit's expensive. Trust me, I bought a fucking 100 cans from your grandma. Fucking cost me about $14 a can. You're gonna put the corn on there, on that nice pot right there. Next thing you need is Monster energy drink for the corn. You're about to pour maybe a third of a can on there. Looking nice. Oh shit, I just spilled it. Ooh. Alright, now, next process is very retarded. This shit may look fucking stupid, but it is completely necessary. Alright, you need a hole puncher.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
And you need some green paper. You're gonna punch the holes. 15 holes.
Not to interrupt
1,
your video, but throw a
2,
torch over here.
3. Hold on, almost there. God damn it. 3. Fuck. Harder than it looks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. I got your grandma in an igloo giving me a fucking foot massage, motherfucker.
With
Yes,
fucking
yes.
$3 worth of ice for some reason.
And
You don't fuck with
next
that
thing,
pineapple.
in process
You need a
is
core slicer for that pineapple.
the peanut butter.
And some pie.
Peanut butter. Alright. Fuck. Alright. Let's take the peanut butter. You're gonna need 2 little spoonfuls of this, about that big. Oh shit, missed. Alright, two spoons of that. Alright, looking lovely. Alright. As you can see, our Fruit Loops are sitting nice with the batteries soaking in. And alright. Next thing you need is a big ass bag of ice. And you're gonna get you a big ass chunk about like that big, about the size of your grandma's titty, and fucking put it in with that. And we need about a handful, another handful. Alright. Another handful of ice there. And now we're going to melt our ice with, where'd my lighter go? Screw it. Alright. Now next thing you fucking need to do is take 2 pieces of bread. Shit, fuck this. I'm going the easy way. Alright. Are you gonna take 2 pieces of bread, throw them in there with the ice and the peanut butter, let them soak. Get you some cherry motherfucking pie filling, motherfuckers. Fucking not that expensive whatsoever. And yup, you can get your dick sucked the fuck off by a fucking Harriet Tubman. And
Get your fucking dick sucked.
yes sir. Hillary Clinton's got a fucking nice ass clit, that's what I gotta say. The fuck? Open up. Alright, I don't even need a can opener for this, it's already got a fucking motherfucking thing on it. The fuck? Ooh, shit, check them cherries out. Shit, it looks just like your fucking mom's before I popped them, motherfucker. Fuck y'all, motherfuckers. Alright. You take the cherries. Alright, you're gonna need about a third of a can. Alright, that should be about good. Alright. Now I'm looking pretty sloppy here. I got fucking shit all over the fucking place. Alright. Next thing you need is charcoal Bristol. Straight from fucking Mars, motherfuckers. 'Cause that shit fucking is so easy to get a hold of. Arrgh. Tiger teeth. Arrgh. You know what grandma says? I want to suck some dick today. Now that's actually they all say, but okay, you're gonna take this fucking charcoal, all right, and put it in with the fruit, so it's floating nicely there. See that? How it just floats and looks retarded? Yep. All right. Next thing you need is some hand warmers. Indeed. Alright, you need 2 of them. For absolutely no reason. You're gonna put these on top of the cherries. Because it lets it soak and shit in it. You know what I'm saying? These things smell fucking so weird. Alright. So they're there. Fucking in. Be right back. 1 second. I gotta get a lighter. Alright. Alright, now we're about to light this bitch on fire. Alright, here we go. God damn, it burned my finger. Yup. Okay. Now here is a very important part. Okay, you need yourself a tray like that. And you're gonna take the marinated corn and whole pieces of paper that I hole punched in there. And you're gonna take the charcoal that's been soaking in for about a couple minutes. You're gonna put that in with that. And that should be nice and steamy. And you're gonna put that into the oven and rotate that shit at about 450 degrees. And then you're gonna take the cherries with the hand warmers and you're gonna fucking jigging them, jiving them, and you're gonna put them with the batteries. Okay, this looks a little nasty, but shit, I guarantee it tastes like fucking grandma's pussy all fucking day. Alright, so that shit's in there. Yes. And you're gonna put this in with the corn. Okay. Now we're gonna wait a couple hours supposedly. And blam. It's all done. And then get over. Alright. And I spilled a whole bunch of shit, but let's just say this shit is done. I'm gonna pull it the fuck out. Here, hit stop real quick.